Hi, want to know how to set up voicemail on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So the thing is that the voicemail is set it up automatically when you are inserting the SIM card into your phone, but we can also make some changes to it, and let me show you how. So as a first step, we would need to open our phone application, and here click on these three dots at the right upper corner. Then here click on the settings button and scroll down until you'll find this voicemail tab. Click on it, and first thing that we can see here is notifications. So by clicking on it here, you can choose if you would like to see the notification about voicemails or not. Here you can also choose the sound, enable or disable vibration, and also if you would like to see it on the lock screen. So if we will go back here, we will go to the advanced settings. First one is service, where you can choose only your carrier, and the most important thing, which is the voicemail number. Here you'll be able to choose the final destination for all of the voicemails by changing the number. So for example, you can here delete your old one and enter the number where you would like to get the voicemails. After this, we click OK, and this is it. Now that's all the settings for the voicemail. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.